Now we are going to discuss another key, that is foreign key. So foreign key is also a attribute or a set of attribute. Clear? As usually in candidate key or super key, it is an attribute or set of attribute that references to primary key of same table or another table. So basically, what is the agenda of foreign key? With the help of foreign key, we can interconnect or we can connect, you can say that, one table to more than one table. Okay, so we will create a link with the help of foreign key. So what is foreign key? Again, I'm just telling you, it is an attribute or set of attributes that references to a primary key of a same table or another table. So I have taken two tables here. The first one is a student table. That is what first relation is a student table. Second is course. Here I'm talking about this table name, that is course table. Basically, the first table holds five attributes: roll number, name, mobile number, email ID, and class. So this is the table number first. Second table is what? That is course. Course, the roll number 1, 2, 4. Two fields I have taken: roll number and the course name. Here this table is showing that roll number 1 have taken the course C++, roll number 2 has taken the course Java, and roll number 4 has taken the course that is name is Python. So here this table is, I'm going to connect with student table because I have to uh, take the name from these two tables who opt Java course, who opt Python course or C++. So by seeing this table, we cannot identify the name of the student by seeing only course table. This is a course table. By seeing course table, we cannot extract the name, mobile number, and email ID and class of a particular student because only two fields are given here. The first one is roll number and second one is course name. So here we have to make a link with this table, student table. Clear everyone? So I am going to make a roll number in first table. In first table, a roll number is, I am going to make it as a primary key, PK, that is primary key, that will identify the record uniquely. One more important point I am just going to tell you that in primary key, the value must be unique and not null. Not null means you cannot leave as a blank whatever the field or attribute that you are going to make as a primary key. No record will be left. Always it is mandatory field, you can say that. So there must be a roll number of each and every student, so you cannot leave it as a blank. Mobile number you can leave. If you don't know about the mobile number of a particular student, you can leave it as a blank. But primary key, in case of primary key, whatever the field you are going to create as a primary key, you cannot leave as a blank. So that's why there are two conditions, two limitations, two criteria. The first one is the record should be unique, and second one is not null. Not null means we cannot leave as a blank. Clear everyone? That's why I have made as a primary key to roll number. Clear everyone? In this course table, there is another roll number is here. So this is a primary key of this course table. Clear? Now I'm going to link this table with this table, course table to a student table. So I'm going to make it as a foreign key, that is FK, that will link to the roll number of a student table, that is original table, that contain the record of a student name, mobile number, email ID, and class. Clear everyone? And from which the data we are taking, that is on that table we will make a primary key, and the table that is referring, you can say that we will make a primary key, and refer table is known as in which this is the primary key of this particular table. If I am talking about this particular table only, so this is the primary key of this table. But if we are going to link this table with a student table, so we will make as a foreign key of this table roll number, and we will link this roll number to the roll number of a student table. Clear everyone? So now you can get the course name. Here roll number 1 is mapped with this roll number 1. I'm going to highlight it again, this one. So you can directly identify, it will give the record Rohit, whose mobile number is 9787 something, email ID is abc@gmail.com, and belongs to class 6, has taken a course C++. That is the meaning of this foreign key. Clear? Next, roll number second, name Sneha, whose mobile number is 9889, dbc@gmail.com, that is mail ID. She belongs to class 7th and she has taken the course name, that is Java. And next, roll number is 4. 4 is Rahul, mobile number 9998, cbc@gmail.com, and belongs to class 7, has taken Python course. But there is no data about roll number 3 and roll number 5. Clear everyone? Because by seeing these two tables, you can identify that only one roll number, 2 roll number, and 4 roll number data you can set about only 1, 2, 4 roll number. The students belongs to roll number 1, 2, 4. You can give the course name. But what about class number? What about the roll number 3 and 5? There is no record in course table. So you cannot say anything about roll number 3 and roll number 5. Means you cannot say anything about Vijay and Rohit, what course they had taken, because there is no record in the course table is given. So by using this method, we can link one table to another table, or more than one table, or you can say the multiple tables. Clear everyone? So we had discussed super key, means all the possible values, all the possibilities including unique values. Candidate key will generate with the help of super key. Candidate key is what? That is the minimal super key. Clear everyone? It means that is unique also, but it can take null value. Unique plus null. Candidate key means all the values that hold unique record plus null value can hold candidate key. But what about the primary key? Primary key that uniquely identify the record, unique plus second condition is not null. You cannot leave as a blank. Clear everyone? Next is what? Alternate key. So remaining field is what? I'm going to tell you, wait. Yes. So in candidate key, from candidate key you can extract alternate key. Alternate key. Alternate key is what? AK is equal to CK candidate key minus K primary key. Clear? Remaining fields excluding primary key, that is known as alternate key. And this all about foreign key. So foreign key is used to connect multiple tables. Clear? Thank you everyone.